Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. That is the box, the XTRONS Pro keyboard, Bluetooth, and this is the keyboard itself. When you get it, you take off the back. There's a little Bluetooth dongle in there that you take out and plug into USB, and it's got room for two AAA batteries, which I've put in. You can put rechargeable batteries in there, and it charges via a little port there. And that's what it looks like. Now, I'm making this video, I should say, because, like I said, when I was wanting to buy this, I tried to look it up and I couldn't find anything about it. And I typed in all the title into YouTube and to Google. Nothing came up about it. So I thought I'd make this video just in case anybody else is trying to look something up about it, and maybe, just maybe, they'll stumble across my video and it'll help them out. Now, I have got it to work on my PS3. It works on my Windows 7 PC, and it works perfectly on my Raspberry Pi 2. Just plug and play straight away, no setup, no nothing. Now, what sold it for me was the touchpad. Obviously, no need for a mouse. Just use your finger there to navigate around. Got your direction buttons, your OK button, full QWERTY keypad. Got volume up, volume down, rewind, fast forward, play and pause. Now, for some reason, there's no stop button on here, which I thought was very odd. So I don't know what that's about, but it's, you know, it's a bit of a niggle, but you just use the touchpad, navigate to the stop that pops up on the screen on Kodi that I use, and press stop that way. You've got your internet shortcuts, www.com. You've got your right click button, you've got your home button, you've got your email button, mute button, left click button, page up, page down. So there you have it. It does work on PS3, it does work on Windows 7, and it does work for Kodi on Raspberry Pi 2. I haven't got a 360 to check it on, and I haven't been able to get it to work on my PS4. So if somebody else has figured it out, or could give me any tips, then leave a comment and I'll do an update video if I can get it to work. Like I say, a keyboard you can get for the Pokemon typing game on the DS, which I'll just get. Which is this one. It says Nintendo on the back and everything. The PS4 does recognise this one, but you have to hold the FN button down when you turn it on with this button, and then it pops up in your Bluetooth devices. So I thought maybe that would work on this, with it having the FN button down here. Tried it, nothing. So I don't, if it'd work with holding another key down, I don't know. I haven't tried all, I haven't even bothered to go through all the keys. So if I get it to work at a later date, I'll put up an update video. But yeah, that is the XTRONS Pro keyboard. It's very slim, it's very light, and it works really well. Plug and play, no setup. So if anybody's umming and ahhing about getting one, because they are really cheap on eBay, just go for it. Absolutely faultless. Got really good click action on the buttons. They are rubbery, but they've got a really satisfying click to them. You know when you've pressed it. The touchpad is really responsive. That's pretty much all I can say about it. It's a really nice gadget. So if you're trying to look up if they're any good, yeah, they are. So just get yourself one. Really nice little gadget. Okay, there you go. That's it. The XTRONS Pro keyboard. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.